What if I told you the closest planet to the sun hides ice? This is the sun, a nuclear inferno 93 million miles away. But right next door is Mercury, a world baked by relentless radiation.
Logic says this place should be a desert of eternal fire.
But look closer, at the poles, where the sun never, ever touches. For billions of years, these craters have existed in total darkness. And in 2012, NASA's MESSENGER probe made a shocking discovery. Glaciers, layers of water ice, billions of tons thick.
The temperature swings here are the most extreme in the solar system.
This isn't fresh snow. It's ancient ice, preserved for eons.
Mercury is shrinking. As it cools, it wrinkles, creating deep shadows.
Just miles away from the ice, the sun roars like a furnace.
Scientists believe comets delivered this ice billions of years ago.
Could there be liquid water trapped beneath the ice? Possibly.
Right now, the BepiColombo mission is hunting for more secrets.
Using lasers and radar, it's mapping what we cannot see.
It's a world of opposites. Fire and ice coexisting.
Could humans ever walk here? Only in the shadows.
Future rovers might survive by staying in eternal night.
These layers could hold clues to how water survives in space.
No sunlight, only starlight touches this ancient ice.
New theory: the sun itself might be creating some of this water.
Standing here, you'd see the sun on one side, and eternal night on the other.
This ice is pristine, untouched by atmosphere or life.
Mercury doesn't just sit there. It zooms and loops in a crazy dance.
On Mercury, the sun sometimes rises, sets, and rises again.
Underneath all this, a massive iron core generates a magnetic field.
This field helps protect the ice from the sun's fury. One crater holds ice 50 meters thick. That's a 15-story building of ice.
It looks like our moon. But it's hiding a secret the moon doesn't have.
Meteorites from Mercury could tell us if life's ingredients exist there.
Ancient volcanoes once erupted here. Now, their lava is frozen solid. These cold traps are nature's freezers, operating for billions of years.
BepiColombo just flew within 200 kilometers of this ice.
Even tiny dust grains hitting the ice can create flashes of light. Neutron spectrometers detected huge hydrogen spikes. That means water.
The sky is always black here. No blue atmosphere to scatter light.
this line? It's the difference between melting and freezing. Radiation hitting the ice might create complex organic molecules. One day, we'll drill here to find out how old this ice really is.
From Earth, Mercury looks like a tiny speck crossing the sun.
Mariner 10 was the first to hint at something strange at the poles.
Decades later, Messenger confirmed it. Ice! On the hottest planet!
For future explorers, this ice means water, air, and rocket fuel. Mercury could become a gas station for the solar system. Each layer of ice is a time capsule, a record of the solar system's history. Comets may have delivered this ice during the late heavy bombardment. When Mercury formed, it was a magma ocean. No water at all.
As it cooled, water arrived from the outer solar system.
Imagine a frozen paradise next to a nuclear inferno.
This specimen, often mistaken for obsidian, contains intricate veins of cryozone ice, a substance found nowhere else on Earth.
Future missions may land directly inside these dark craters.
The first touchdown on a solar system glacier will be on Mercury. Could microscopic life survive in these shadows? The search is on.
This map shows a world of extremes, from hellfire to deep freeze.
Even when solar flares blast the surface, the ice remains safe in the shadows.
Some scientists think the ice might glow faintly due to cosmic rays.
Mercury has almost no tilt. That's why the poles are forever dark.
Earth's glaciers are melting. Mercury's? Perfectly preserved.
A massive valley stretches across the planet, a scar from its violent past.
These cliffs are hundreds of miles long. Some hide ice at their base.
3 missions, decades of work, and we're just scratching the surface.
If ice exists here,
next time you see a bright star near the sunset, that might be Mercury.
And now you know. The closest world to our sun holds ancient ice. Where there's water, there's potential for life, even next to a star.
The scorched icebox, a world of fire and ice.
Want to explore more impossible worlds? Subscribe and hit the bell.